Good morning, everyone. My name is Second QC. I'm studying at Eklavya Model Residential School, EMI. Awesome, fantastic architect, famous school in the HD Kotasala, where I study. We have to talk about the few facilities of student and encourage a student for academic and cultural and sports. Let's talk about my dear friend. You are looking now at the famous stage and the new college building for the academic students. This is a very useful building for the old building and the stage where for cultural programs and any program. Very famous programs are for students where near the stage fair and everything. It's called college building and arts. This is very famous. See how it's it's a new building. Actually, we know and see our new hostel also there. This is a CBSE hostel. And one thing is there is no any CBSE hostel. This is only one of the most beautiful. Let's just show the new college building clearly. See college in the HD Kota Taluk. Only one college in the HD Kota Taluk and very famous. Cost of lab, no cost of anything, everything, each and everything is free. Lab everything is being provided by the central government or honorable president and next. See, you're looking now the stage. It is a very useful when you're going to conduct any meeting or any programs, any graduate programs for the college, and it's very useful to the students. Thank you. Meet the students or children. In this we can eat anything and enjoy with the two students and parents. The way this is a new construction from our principal due to that. Because of their students are studying here and they are responsible of our principal sir and our college. Come friends, let us introduce about physics lab. This is a physics lab where every equipments and every properties and everything for the students well understanding from this. This is our lecturer and physics person. And see the every equipments of the electrical yes. From this single spell pendulum. From this we can understand each and every important thing for every student do because of understanding. Come, let's introduce our music sir and our counselor. Music teacher is the most important teacher in every school because she is our counselor and she's work is the most abundant work in the school because of every student is stressed by the education or exam stress. Let us introduce about biology. This is our biology lecturer, Dr. Ashwata Singh. Biology and very easiest subject to the every few students because of easy concepts. Principle called formula. The formula is a very important thing to preserve any facilitated lab in our college and it's very good. Come let's introduce the achievements of our college students. These come friends. There is no doubt of at all because of the provided the practice and prizes national level, state level, district level, taluk level. Every prize is get by the students because of you to one of the most coaching and good and also the most important thing that very security thing that CCTV facility. It's everywhere. There's 48 cameras around our campus and each and every cameras are working well. The where any issue, small issue can show by this video. And also this is a meeting chamber. The way every month we conduct a meeting about house captain, vice captain, standard B section. Now it's a class going on the health of hygiene, personal hygiene, and it was teached by our well-educated nurse, the Miss Komala ma'am. She is a from the degree from the Mysore University, BSc Nursing, and she is teaching that personal hygiene, how the students should be hygiene every day and cleanliness lecture. Chandan sir, where graduate from the Mysore University and BSc and MSc in computer science. The way computer education in the college is very important for students because of in their future they can go into engineering field or any cyber field and software engineer, mechanical engineer or anything. The CS and computer basic is very important to every job, especially computer basic. Without computer, nowadays there is no any job without computer basic knowledge. So computer is a very important thing for the every student, each in commerce or either science or arts. Whatever requirement of our college. See how the students their famous, very beautiful. It's only done by the famous arts and the teaching of our drawing teacher. The drawing teacher was well educated from the UP University, since Karnataka map and some creative innovations of new creative things they are creating. It's the black or border of the new test class and very famous in the 6th standard class. See the way students were very knowledge and very sharp students. and we're taking a teaching from the smart board facility. We can get anything from this, only writing, not only writing, we can show them from the where which or topic or not understand for them. So it is a very famous facility in our college. Only the HD code, only one college, or school CBSE school,